Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we've got part 2 of our 3-part series in our Asus dual RTX 2080 Super GPU mining rig build. That's right guys, as you guys can see here, and you guys should have already hopefully checked out that volume 1 of this GPU mining rig build. We did go ahead and talk with you guys a little bit about this, show you guys some of the specs on these GPUs and such. But we do have volume 2 in this. As you can see, we've got these fired up, and man, that RGB is looking beautiful. So, as we were talking with you earlier about in that build, we do use the server power supplies. We do use those to power our risers, as well as the GPUs you can see there. Also, I want to show you guys up close and personal. These are the GPURiser.com risers. How sexy do those things look? Pulled 10 out of our shipment of quite a lot, and first 10 fired right up, no worries. So we are here at the farm, GPU mining farm, and we were doing some testing. We were able to secure some of these Asus dual RTX 3080 2080, scratch that 2080, and you guys in that first video, first volume of this, you heard Tim correct me. I'm one of the team members out here. I got 30 series on the brain, but these are 2080 RTX 2080 Supers. We are hammering away on Hive OS. As always guys, in the description down below we're going to have links to everything so you guys can see it. We are trying some different motherboard configurations out and such, as we've talked with you guys about in other volumes of our Works. You know, typically we do use the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard. You know, that's what we're typically using for our 13 GPU workers. But as you know, and as I know, as everybody knows, these mining parts, these mining motherboards, things like CPUs and such, those things are hard to find. So we're just doing a lot of testing. If you guys have done any testing with some GPU or with motherboards, and you're able to get 13 GPUs or more on a non-mining motherboard, please comment down below. Let us know. You know, are you using the Maximus Pro here? What GPUs are you? What motherboards are you guys using to get those full builds out? You guys know, as we talked about as well, we've got different splitters there. Well, this splitter here is a little bit special. Let's see if we can find some words there on it. Yep, there it is. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about it. But we are doing some testing with these RTX 3080s, these Asus duals, and like I said, make sure you guys check out the video, that first volume if you haven't. Here you can see, like we said, RTX 2080 Supers. We got them hammering away. We're working on overclocks, trying to learn them and everything. There will be a volume 3 of this. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. That way you can catch part 3 of our Asus dual RTX 2080 Super GPU mining rig builds. We'll talk with you guys more about our overclock settings, Hive OS, and everything like that. Really cool though, seeing these fans and everything like that spin. Let's go ahead and bring that there. Woo, doggy, love it, love it. But as you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 GPUs here. Normally we'd have 13. With our testing density and such, we will end up cramming these all together and see how those temperatures and everything go. But like we showed you, we do use those server power supplies, using those 6-pin to 8-pin adapters. And then we got some splitters here that we were able to use. That's how we power these. They do have dual 8 pins. We are also using the 6-pin adapters there, those power plugs, to power our GPURiser.com risers. Guys, I just can't get enough of that, and that white riser is pretty sick. One of the things that we wanted to talk with you guys about and show you here a little bit better is those GPURiser.com risers, and that banana clip makes it real easy for us and other people to get these risers on and off versus the push and pull. If that makes sense, comment down below, let me know what you think. But yeah, we've been doing some testing. We got the Maximus 8 Hero here that we're doing some testing on, and like I said, check out that squirrel girl. But yeah, let us know what you guys think about this. We'll talk with you guys much more about hash rates, all sorts of different things. Make sure you check out that video, and you guys will definitely hear Tim and Zach talk with me a little bit. If we were betting on it, one of the things you definitely see is that I don't center those right as we're going through, chit-chatting you guys up and trying to talk with you guys about everything. quite funny. But after talking some more, we definitely do feel that we would be able to get 13 GPUs there. We're doing some testing on these 1400 watt power supplies. You can see our meters here. We'll talk with you guys more about power consumption and all of that. But we do want to see, you know, before we start doing fleets of these, if we're able to get the configurations like we like. We love 13 GPUs on the motherboard. Reason for that is just density, guys. You're able to use one CPU, one motherboard, 13 GPUs, and then you're able to do it with just a couple adapters, power supplies, and those types of things. So if you guys like these kinds of videos, you want to see more of these types of builds out here at the GPU mining farm, please comment down below, give us a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can keep up with all these other shenanigans, guys. I really appreciate you guys, the community, for having us in our home, or in your home, for wanting to hang out with us and stuff. Make sure you keep an eye out. We just did an entire rebranding. Lots of fun shenanigans coming up with that as well. We got volume 3 of this Asus TUF 2080 Super GPU mining rig build. Lots of other fun stuff here. I mean, guys, we're just having a lot of fun. So if you guys want to see more of that, like I said, just comment down below. Let us know what else you want to see with this build. We'll have part 3 coming up once we get some more testing and those types of things. But hey, guys, my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. We wanted to take you behind the scenes at the GPU mining farm with our first GPU mining rig build. We showed you guys us prepping this. Well, now that it was prepped, we threw our motherboard power supplies on. Zach got that built up real quick. We got that tested. We haven't even had these GPUs out here at the GPU mining farm less than 8 hours, and we've got them hashing over on Hive OS. It was interesting. We had to change flight sheets. We were using Team Red Miner out here at the GPU mining farm. That's what we've got. We've got AMD GPUs galore. So we were using Team Red Miner. So we got some flight sheets set up here. We are using T-Rex over on Hive OS. Like we said in the description down below, we got links to Hive OS. That way you guys can check it out yourself. Stability, reporting speeds, those are a few things that we like about Hive OS. You are able to, on those AMDs, you can actually flash an entire set of rigs. We had been using Ethos. Reporting would take 15 to 30 minutes plus. And Hive OS, with us using our SSDs here. This rig, once we had it fired up, took less than 5 minutes start to finish, naming it, everything. So we really love that. When you're working with 1 or 2 workers, guys, it's not that hard. But when you've got hundreds, if not thousands of GPU workers, you get your time, man. You just got to keep things moving. You guys know you got to keep coins going in the bag. You got to keep things running. I'm a huge fan of RGB. You guys know that adds 45 to 165 giggity hash per GPU mining rig. So make sure you comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you like these GPUriser.com risers, please comment down below as well. I know they'll appreciate that. They were really great to work with. They followed through with the whole thing through shipping and everything like that. They were very upfront with how long it would take for risers and such to come in. So hey, we really appreciate that. They checked up on us. Couldn't be more excited. And when we say GPUrisers.com risers, well, there's 4 of our boxes. It was actually taller than me, taller than team member Zach. If you guys want to see Zach and Tim a lot more, comment down below. Let us know what you want to see them do. We're going to have other types of rig builds. You guys are going to see that 1.5 megawatt power upgrade. We're working on that as well. These things are thick though, guys. You guys know 2080s, 2060s, those types of things. These things are thick, but quite frankly, it's no thicker than one of our Gigabyte AMD GPUs with those China fans that you guys hear us talk about. So once again, I do feel we could get an entire worker of 13. My spacing was terrible. If you guys put money on me being able to space that with the first volume of this Asus dual RTX 2080 GPU mining rig build, you guys would have won for sure. We are currently mining Ethereum. As you guys know, lots of shenanigans going on with Ethereum, but we recommend, or at least we're putting as much Ethereum in the bag as we can. That's what we're currently using. Hopefully we'll be able to do some other testing with this, talk with you guys about hash rates and such on that follow-up video. So that volume 3, you can hear these rigs humming. I don't know about you guys, but I just love that sound. So my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. We'll wrap this video up today. Thank you guys very much for having us in your home. You guys have a good night. My name's Wes. Not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.